another one.
Okay guys, MADDEN here today. So we got another MADDEN mobile video here, and this time it's 100 packs instead of opening all those 200 packs, taking like an hour. So here we go. We got 50 pro packs. 50 pro packs. I believe we have one premium packs here. We got no auction. Anything good. Well, of course we'll put it on a team, but we won't be able to sell it. So all those packs we got from my last video where I opened the 200 plus packs. So yeah, so and then the jumbo packs, they have like five program items and then 5 gold or better players or something like that. Then goalie packs, they give you a guaranteed elite coaches player pack. So it's gonna be pretty cool. That's from that season preview thing. So I might gonna have more premium preview. So I may cover that. They're gonna have locker room and like some other thing, training things or whatever. So yeah, cover those. So let's start opening. Let's start out with sometimes you could pull elite out of this, but you probably barely able to get. Oh, 76 kicker. Nice. Punishing kickers. They always go for a good game changer player pack. And if it goes. That 78, very nice. That 80 safety. I have Studi's fan favorite packs are these. I don't even know why I got those thing. I don't think I could sell those. Yeah, why? I got these. 80. I think I have those already too. What's funny though is that I think we didn't get a double yet. I got another different one. That's pretty crazy. And 80 half pack. Look, we got all different players. So we're gonna do specialist goal. Hopefully something good. Hopefully like a punt returner, nice. 81st to get that amount of overall. Always. 84 kicker. Nice. Cool. Returner. I think there's like and I believe yeah, we're gonna leave Legend player pack. Now these, I'm not sure if they go for anymore, but last time I checked, they only sold for. Now with those, they might sell stuff like that. So hopefully they do. We'll do the ultimate. Not all pro packs. Hopefully. Oh, get a badge. It's not the collectible I'm looking for. Yeah, last ultra pack. We'll just reveal all for this one. Oh! We got a coach's player. 85 halfback. Plus 2 awareness. But you can't sell. That's. At least we got one. Okay. Premium pack. Let's do this. Hopefully I can get out of this. 84 kicker trainer. Okay. So now we're gonna do a pro pack 50 of these. So let's do this. Nothing there. 76 tight end. Okay, we got at least 70 packs left. Nope, nothing here. $76 DT. Nothing here. Anything? Oh, no. Not as long as the other one. Ooh, nice. We got a one of these. Those go for 3,000. Not bad. Nothing near. $80. That's the first 80 we got from Pro Packs. We didn't get anything good. At least not from the Pro Packs, which kind of sucks because. Ooh, I think it was Brandon Marshall. Where did I get Brandon Marshall from? Double gold, not bad. Ryan Shaz. 75 quarterback. $75 quarterback again. Oh, again we're gonna get a lot of quarterbacks. Come on. Why does it do this to me? 76 safety. Ooh, nice throwback. You don't even put anything in sets. I don't know why it's doing this, dude. No. I need to get him tablet. Nothing here. 75 wide receiver. Come on. Ooh, nice. Pro pack. That's another pro pack that you get. Whoopee. Like that's anything exciting. And you pull 99. That would be weird. I don't see that happening to me anytime soon. Okay. Nothing here. Also, I mean, if you saw, so what I did last time I sold my players, I literally sold all my players. That's how I got up to like 1,000,005. Anyways, again, I don't think I'm gonna get as much coins because I don't have thing needs to stop freezing, freaking peeing me off. Maybe our luck is turning around. Been opening this for like 10 minutes. Nothing's really popped up yet. At least in these pro packs. Really nothing good yet. Except for that one elite. Actually, we did get one elite. I just didn't know who it was. Because 75 yen. What the heck? No elites, what the heck? I pretty much only got one elite so far, so I guess when I get to those player packs down, hopefully they do good. Hopefully. Because it seems like these pro packs are not going to pay off, which sucks. Oh, nice, Oklahoma. What the heck? I didn't expect that to be in here. Oh, that sucks. It goes in a non-optional one. What the heck? I didn't expect that to be in here, so I guess that's something to be excited for. Like, whoopee. No, that's nothing to be excited for. Maybe if it was at Alabama. Those seem to be rare for me to get. So that would have been awesome to get that. But of course not. Oh, look at that. 85, a linebacker. CO? Is that a Q or oh? Oh, it's all. More. CO more. No, okay, let's do this. 75 corner. What? It's corner. Center. What the heck is wrong with me? All these sports mixed in my head at the same time. Oh, I don't know what this is. Here we go. What the heck? You know what? This sucks. 90 this, and hopefully this is worth something. I think the other one I had from the other pack open that I did, it's 175,000 or something like that. I know it was over 100,000 though, so hopefully that one sells for as much as that. What the heck? 79 kicker. Big Sean Jennings, there he is. Big Sean Jennings. I still got him like 3 times here. Jared Goff, he's like pretty common to get. Oh, I don't know what that was. I think that might have been a kicker. Probably check that out after. Or not. Not bad. We get a lot of those per video. Because they usually sell for more. I don't know why. But I guess it's because it's special position, I guess. 75 fullback. Doing a really good thing, I guess. All those second, like the 2 other elites, were pretty much just, they go for crap. So go for taxes. packs like that. Hopefully. Let's hope, let's hope. I thought that was an elite. I don't know why. I guess it's because I saw the old. Okay, I think we're down to 25 packs. I believe we're almost done with these pro packs, so I have a good amount of those player packs down here. Those store packs that they give out. I call them store packs. I'm 9 left. Yeah. So let's finish off, and then hopefully we get some in those goal line packs or those competitor packs. Hopefully, I saw people pull something good out of there. So hopefully we do the same. This pro pack ever opens. Again. Yep, 77 cornerback. This is probably like one of my worst pack openings ever. Like even off camera, before I started making these videos, probably the worst one yet. But I can't see that yet though, because I haven't opened these packs yet. So hopefully, our luck we get like a 99 or something. That'd be awesome. 81, old tackle, and hopefully, and nothing. We got crap. No auction campus hero player packs. This up, you guys are gonna screen. Oh, it's not an upgrade. No. Come on. Let's update team. Oh my god, oh my god. Receiver, not bad at all. So at least we know we're gonna make our team a bit better. Hopefully the team. It's the same guy. That's nice. What sucks though is that you can't tell him. It's a non-auctionable. Oh my god, another update team. If it's the same guy, I swear. Oh, it will be series. Okay. Coaches pack, because I know it's loose now. Hopefully the free 90. Okay, let's do this jumbo pack. Hopefully we get something. Come on, come on. Okay. Hold on, heroes. Oh. Okay, can we get an elite here? No elites? No elites? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is like twins? Wait, for real? Really? Really? Okay. They better have something good. I don't see an update team or anything. I freaking swear there's no. Okay. Okay, that's better. 88 quarterback Cam Newton and an 86 movers. Nickel Robbie Coleman. I mean, the thing was over. I gotta think there's more. Oh heck no, you not. Okay, maybe since I did that, maybe it will go faster now. Cause this is guys, this isn't funny anymore. It's going mad slow. You better get something good out of this. 84, nothing. Oh, this is gonna be a waste. I should have just did all pro packs. That would have took a mad long though. This video is already so doesn't help. What the heck? There's really no elite in here. I'm good. I'm gonna lose coins. Lose them. I'm only getting 1,000 recurring. I'm gonna be freaking. I'm gonna I don't get anything in his last competitive pack. I don't know. Season. Elite. Minter. I mean, that's like one. Unsung. I mean, whatever else. Heroes packs. They're not. Yeah, I better get a good one. I get. We got cornerback. Hopefully, let's see. Okay, we're just gonna. Oh, there's only one more in there. Okay, we got 3 left. Hopefully, we get something good. I'm like. Come on. I want to see it update. 91 halfback Jeremy Hill. And we got a 85. We got him again. Kevin and Minter. You gotta be kidding me. It's not. It's the last 2 packs. I want to see an update team right there. No way. Guys, we got the 95. You gotta be kidding me. My greatest pool. Yeah. And 95. Never. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Come on. Hopefully you pull 95 to be on. This is old. 88 Tyrann Matthew. What is it? Oh, we pulled another one, guys. Oh my god. Earl Thomas the third. Oh my god. Or the freaking goat. 5 pools. That turned out like F5s. That is awesome. I need that for. So I hope you guys do. Like I said, I'll cover the next season preview for Madden Mobile. So stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.